Hi, imagine transferring career ending crisis into mission start comeback. A hybrid masterclass is training for modern leadership. We are cooking up global think tank, 2000 hands of chefs, innovations kitchens, thousands of virtual apprenticeship worldwide. Your message season 60% of Fortune's 500 boardrooms. Hmm, This revenue from ticket sales is a gold mine. Every 2,500 plate fund will be a systematic change while sponsor seasons the conversion to post event. The leftover sales them join the greenhouse where trust grows every round. Basic access, free fertilizers, premium, your personal accountable orchid with crisis nutrition on speed dial. Forget Zoom fatigue. Our AR spatulas let you flip holograph scandals where live polls turn audience into Iron Chef judge. Participation isn't only option, it's delicious. VIP gets the chef tables, a one-to-one crisis sommeliers, lifetime recipe vault, and panic button connected to all trauma-trained sauces. Leadership never tasted this exclusive. Mm. We are slicing the event into viral bites. Apology hack, LinkedIn leadership, showful, Instagram crisis, your brand spices, every shareable frame. Pre-games with Crisis Appetizer podcast simmers to the TED Talk remix mid-event digest with lo-fi beat that turns regulatory compliances soundtrack revolution. Netflix of reputation recipes, daily menu drop, behind the scenes, kitchen chaos, polls that makes followers crave their own redemption arc. Watch Seafood Titans bake humility pies, live chats, control crisis outcome like your brand, the sizzle in every real time drama. Dun, dun, dun. Merch isn't swag, it's an armor. Our $49 secret sauce apron outsells Supreme hoodies. Every spice blends fun meals for the burned by the real crisis. We don't say goodbye, we say see you all in the next course. Our 7 email leftover series turned dropout into addicts exit survey, pay better than Netflix, interactive crisis flashcards that double as lead magnet, poll card, harvest data, sponsors, card taste test solutions, your ROI baked into every draw. This isn't event It's building starred crisis kitchen across industries. Invest only leadership program where participants pay into roasted, then come back for a second. Come join Peach Tree 33 CRM crisis course